She is a teacher. She is teaching English. Teach is a simple action, continuous teaching. E-T, ch, teach. E, teachy. Teaching. She is teaching English. English. E, ing, g, ing. L, ingle. I, English. English. She is teaching English. The students are learning English. Learn, simple action, continuous learning. O, lur, n, learn. E, learny. Learning. They are learning English. Pronunciation, learning. Repeat. She is teaching English. Teaching. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. Where are they?
They are at school.
Very good. Where are they? Respond. Very good. What is the teacher doing?
The teacher is teaching English.
Very good. What is the teacher doing? Respond. Very good. Question. What are the students doing?
The students are learning English.
Very good. What are the students doing? Respond. Very good. Speaking. S, sp, e, spee, k, speak, e, speaky, speaking. Speaking. She is speaking. Speak, continuous action, speaking. So, she is speaking. They are speaking English. Speaking. Repeat. Very good. Question. K, qu, e, que, s, ques, ch, question, a question, question. One question, two questions. Questions. She is asking questions. Asking. A, s, ask, ask. E, asky. Asking. Asking. Repeat. Asking is the action for question. She is asking questions. Questions. Repeat. Very good. She is asking questions and he is answering the questions. A, an, s, ants, answer. E, answery, answering. Remember, answer, simple action. Continuous, answering. No w, no answer, no answer, no w. Answering. So, she is asking questions. He is answering the questions. The questions, specific. Let's practice. What are they doing?
They are speaking English.
Very good. What are they doing? Respond. Very good. The teacher. What is she doing?
She is asking questions.
Very good. What is she doing? Respond. Very good. What are they doing?
They are answering the questions.
Very good. Question. What are they doing? Respond. Very good. Vocabulary. Nice. Nice. He is nice. Good. He is not nice. Nice. Repeat. Very good. The teacher is nice. Patient. Pay. Patient. 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 He is patient. He is not patient. Patient. Pronunciation, patient. Repeat. The teacher is patient. Smart. Sma. Smart. Smart. He is smart. Intelligent. He is not smart. He is not intelligent. The students are smart. Smart. Repeat. Very good. Remember, descriptions: nice, patient, smart, no He's nice. No, he's a nice. He's patient. No, a patient. He's patient. He's smart. Let's practice. Is the teacher nice?
Yes, the teacher is nice.
Is she patient?
Yes, she's patient.
And are the students smart?
Yes, the students are smart.
Question. Is the teacher nice? Respond. Is she patient? Respond. Are the students smart? Respond. Very good. Vocabulary. In the class. Class. Remember, I am at work. She is at school for location, but in the class. They are in the class. She is in the class. Repeat, in the class. Very good. And thing, think, thinky, thinking. He is thinking. Think, simple action, continuous thinking. He is thinking. Repeat, thinking. Very good. Right. Continuous. Ride. Writing. He is writing. Remember, writing, no w. First sound, r. Writing. Repeat. Very good. He is writing. Paying attention. Pay. Payee. Paying, continuous action. Pay, simple action. Paying attention. Attend. Attention. Attention. Paying attention. The students are paying attention to the teacher. Remember, paying attention to. Paying attention, concentrating, focusing. They are paying attention to the teacher. Pronunciation, paying attention. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. Where are they?
They're in the class.
Where are they? Respond. Very good. Question. Who is she?
She is Maria.
What is she doing?
She's reading a book.
Very good. Who is she? Respond. What is she doing? Respond. Very good. Who is he?
He is Paul.
What is he doing?
He's thinking.
Very good. Who is he? Respond. What is he doing? Respond. Very good. Who is he?
He is Steve.
What is he doing?
He's writing.
Very good. Who is he? Respond. What is he doing? Respond. Very good. Who is she?
She's Anna.
What is she doing?
She's listening.
Very good. Who is she? Respond. What is she doing? Respond. Very good. Are they paying attention to the teacher?
Yes, they're paying attention to the teacher.
Very good. Are they paying attention to the teacher? Respond. Very good. Questions. What is he doing?
He's reading a book.
What is he doing? Respond. Very good. What is he doing?
He's thinking.
Very good. What is he doing? Respond. Very good. What is he doing?
He's writing.
Very good. What is he doing? Respond. Very good. And what is he doing?
He's listening.
Very good. What is he doing? Very good. Is he paying attention?
Yes, he's paying attention.
Is he paying attention? Respond. Very good.